Java Burn Reviews, Java Burn Coffee Weight Loss Supplement. When starting a new supplement or determining whether Java Burn is good for you, always consult your primary care practitioner. Are you seeking for weight loss supplements but can't seem to locate any that are both reputable and effective? If you've looked into this sector, you'll know that there are a lot of companies advertising weight loss supplements, and the average individual can get confused about which ones to buy. If your metabolism is inactive, losing weight is tough, if not impossible. You can go to the gym or follow a strict diet, but the weight won't come off no matter how hard you work out or deny yourself your favorite foods. This is why we design supplements like Java Burn, which may aid in the maintenance of your metabolism and the activation of your dead cells in order to help you lose weight quickly. Some people believe that staying on a strict diet will help them lose weight, but the major reason for doing so is to help your body begin the process of using fat for energy rather than carbohydrates. To put it another way, to get your metabolism going. Diets, on the other hand, are troublesome since they need a significant amount of commitment and work on your behalf to achieve this state of ketosis. Supplements, on the other hand, are a more accessible and reliable way to achieve this goal. They encourage you to keep active, and you'll drop weight like it's nothing. If you have a healthy metabolism, you won't have any extra fat in your body, and undesired fat will melt away on its own. Why do we require such items? Weight loss supplements are increasingly in need. We witness acquaintances or co-workers who are suffering from health problems as a result of poor sleeping or eating habits. Obesity affects more than 80% of the world's population, according to estimates. Obesity is a significant concern, and finding solutions should be a top priority because it can lead to other dangerous ailments. Some of the health problems associated with being overweight or obese are even inherited, affecting not just our own health but also the health of future generations. There are so many items available when looking for remedies to this problem that it can be daunting. Some are also costly or even harmful to our health. Medicines and surgery are expensive, and the drugs used aren't always appropriate for our bodies. If something goes wrong in the operating room, you could die. As a result, many people turn to vitamins or capsules as a substitute. You can choose from a variety of options on the market to choose which is best for you. You can go over the contents and choose supplements with natural substances that will not harm your health. As a result, goods like Java Burn have become indispensable in our daily lives. About Java Burn. Java Burn, like other dietary supplements, will assist you in losing weight naturally. It comes in a powder form, and all you have to do is add it into your morning mug of coffee. This supplement has no flavor, so it won't interrupt your morning routine, and it has a long list of advantages. In 2 to 3 weeks, you will see positive results. Because Java Burn has a natural composition and all of its constituents provide multiple benefits when taken individually, combining them in one supplement may perform amazingly well for you. This product has no known adverse effects and instead works to improve your general health and emotional well-being. You may get Java Burn from the company's official website without leaving your house, and you can even order it from your phone. Not only that, but if you buy Java Burn in bulk, the site offers numerous discounts, providing clients multiple options to save. Features of Java Burn. Completely tasteless, there will be no discernible change when you mix Java Burn into your mug of coffee, allowing you to swallow it quickly while still enjoying the flavor of your coffee. Supplement manufactured in the United States. Researchers in the United States created this supplement. The manufacturer's offices are located there, and you can find out everything you need to know about them on the official website. All FDA regulations are followed. The supplement complies with all of the Food and Drug Administration's regulations. Not only that, but it follows the Good Manufacturing Practices method as well. It is not GMP approved, but it adheres to all of its guidelines, making it a CGMP product. You can easily add it into any of your usual mugs of coffee, regardless of how strong it is or if the roast is dark, medium, or light. All chemical preservatives and coloring have been removed from Java Burn. Java Burn will heal your body from the inside out, reviving all of your dormant cells and boosting your general health. You'll notice positive changes in your body and begin to feel better. Java Burn is intended for persons aged 25 to 65, and anyone outside of that age range should avoid taking it because it can be dangerous. About the makers of this unique formula. Java Burn was invented by John Barboan and his team, and they did an amazing job investigating every aspect regarding how the human body accumulates and loses weight. They've targeted the parts of our bodies where fat is stored unnecessarily, helping us to break it down and increase our metabolic rate. They also adhere to all Food and Drug Administration requirements and GMPs, demonstrating their professionalism and concern for the individuals who consume their product. You can easily add it into any of your usual mugs of coffee, regardless of how strong it is or if the roast is dark, medium, or light. All chemical preservatives and coloring have been removed from Java Burn. Java Burn will heal your body from the inside out, reviving all of your dormant cells and boosting your general health. You'll notice positive changes in your body and begin to feel better. Java Burn is intended for persons aged 25 to 65, and anyone outside of that age range should avoid taking it because it can be dangerous. About the makers of this unique formula. Java Burn was invented by John Barboan and his team, and they did an amazing job investigating every aspect regarding how the human body accumulates and loses weight. They've targeted the parts of our bodies where fat is stored unnecessarily, helping us to break it down and increase our metabolic rate. They also adhere to all Food and Drug Administration requirements and GMPs, demonstrating their professionalism and concern for the individuals who consume their product. Ingredients used in Java Burn. The Java Burn supplement is made entirely of natural ingredients, including essential proteins and vitamins for good health. The following is a list of ingredients. Vitamin B6. This vitamin is responsible for activating your metabolic system, which is thought to aid with weight loss. You will not gain weight unnecessarily, and you will lose weight on a consistent basis. Java Burn will also protect you from unwanted cravings, whether they are emotional or simply a result of boredom. Vitamin B12. When you lose weight, you may stop exercising or eating a healthy diet, and you begin to gain it again. It is not a nice situation. But you don't have to be concerned with Java Burn because vitamin B12 will help you maintain your weight loss even after you stop using the supplement. Chlorogenic acid is a substance that helps to keep blood sugar levels in your body in check. It also aids in weight loss by assisting you in losing fat fast. What effect does it have on your body? After utilizing Java Burn, you will be ecstatic with the outcomes. It will take time and work slowly, but after 3 to 4 weeks of consistent dose, you will see great results. Quick absorption. Simply mix 1 spoonful of Java Burn into your daily mug of coffee, as previously stated. This tasteless vitamin will simply blend in and will be absorbed by your body without you even noticing it. Activates genes. Java Burn will aid in the efficient functioning of your genes, assisting in the healing of your body's cells. The supplement aids in the activation of dormant cells in order to increase your metabolic rate. Activates the metabolism. As previously said, we will not lose weight if our metabolic rate is low, therefore Java Burn concentrates on activating your metabolism. Java Burn nourishes your body by providing proteins, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. No one can operate well if they are lacking in these essential nutrients. Fat burning begins. At the end of the day, this supplement will kickstart your weight loss journey. It will stimulate your body's dead cells, allowing you to benefits of Java Burn. The addition of the Java Burn pill to your diet has a slew of advantages. To get the best benefits, make sure to take it once a day with your mug of coffee, as suggested by the manufacturer. It will not alter the flavor of your coffee, and you will notice beneficial results quickly. The following are some of the benefits of using this supplement. An emphasis on metabolic function: you will not lose weight if your metabolism is not active. Even when our stomachs are full, our appetites can lead us to consume too much junk food, and no matter how hard we work out or which diet we follow, we can't seem to lose weight. Your metabolic rate must be triggered, which necessitates an increase. Java Burn is a supplement that aids your body in doing just that. The most abundant fat storage regions are targeted. All of the fat in your body that your body can't burn is stored, resulting in apparent belly fat. Java Burn helps you lose weight by targeting the places that retain the most undesirable fat, and you'll appreciate how it melts the pounds away. Java Burn helps you regulate your hunger while also improving your digestive system and keeping your poor eating habits in check. There are less cravings. Excess cravings are one of the key causes of our unwanted body fat. There are many different kinds of food cravings. We have stress cravings, emotional desires, and a variety of other cravings when we are bored. It's not beneficial because it leads to an increase in body weight. Java Burn will make you feel full, preventing you from gaining weight unnecessarily. Overall health: Java Burn will not only assist you in losing excess body fat, but it will also act to improve your overall health. It enhances your heart health as well as your mental wellness. If you're dealing with stress or worry, this vitamin can help you feel more optimistic and uplifted. Is Java Burn scientifically tested? Yes, the Java Burn supplement has been thoroughly examined. It adheres to all of the Food and Drug Administration's criteria. Java Burn is a CGMP product since it tracks all of the relevant regulations of the Good Manufacturing Practices system. The pouches that contain Java Burn also ensure that the supplement has been examined for its potential, purity, and quality by a third-party lab. How to take the Java Burn supplement. The Java Burn supplement has no flavor and may be mixed with your morning cup of coffee. If you don't drink coffee, you can add it to a glass of juice or any other drink, but it works best when coupled with coffee on a daily basis. Java Burn Precautions. When purchasing the Java Burn supplement, there are a few important things to keep in mind. This supplement is only for those aged 25 to 65. It should not be taken by anyone outside of that range, as it may be detrimental to them. If you have a medical condition, avoid using the supplement because it may cause negative effects, and the firm does not suggest it. Only 1 spoonful of this supplement should be added to your mug of coffee once a day. It is highly forbidden to take more than the recommended dosage. It should be stored in a dry, open area away from direct sunlight, and not in the refrigerator. If the product seal has been broken, do not use it. Always consult your doctor before beginning a new supplement regimen. If you want to lose weight fast drinking coffee, take a look at this amazing products that's just hit the market. Click link in description below.